bacon, and hot dog.
All the stars they shine on this lovely night. Light up the world, forget our troubles for a moment.
Guys, punta pala tayo ngayon sa mall. Actually, meron kami appointment ni ate ngayon sa Wanadala. So, magpapabotox tayo ngayon. Anong oras na? Time check, it's 11:57. Tapos yung appointment natin is 1 o'clock. Did you know that with an eSIM, you can use a mobile data abroad without swapping your SIM card? Seriously, no stores, no queues, and no physical SIM at all. I've been through the nightmare of physical SIM so many times. Trying to find a local SIM at the airport, standing in a long line, worrying if it'll even fit my phone, or if the plan I bought is enough. It is stressful. On one trip, I spent over an hour just trying to get online, and the SIM didn't even work properly at first. It was a total chaos. I used Airalo for my trip to Vietnam, and it was so convenient. I had internet the moment I landed, no stress, no waiting, just instant data. I literally turned airplane mode off and everything worked. Let me show you how easy it is. First, download the Airalo app, choose the country you're visiting, and pick a data plan that suits you. Enter my promo code RICH to get $3 off. Install and activate the eSIM. Then check your phone settings for mobile data and roaming, and that's it. You're ready to go. You can actually purchase the eSIM in advance with the Airalo app so that whenever you land, it's already connected. You can download the Airalo app in the description box or by scanning this QR code and use my promo code RICH to get $3 off. For example, on my last Vietnam trip, I used the Vietnam 10 gig plan, and with a code, I got it for $16. Such an easy way to avoid roaming fee. Definitely check it out. We are going. It's 12 midday. Ay, very convenient kasi malapit lang lahat ng mga lugar na gusto namin puntahan dito sa accommodation na to. Go at the back! Go at the back!
You wanna go backside?
Tarong nga niya, Wen! You wanna go backside?
You wanna go backside? Backside.
Na mag-seatbelt man si Inday. Asa man seatbelt ni Inday yun. Mag-seatbelt siya. Pangitaan dyan na seatbelt siya. Hey, Titi! Mata na lang.
Where's oil? Where's oil?
27.
We're here. 30 for 3 hours. Para sa appointment na to, full force talaga dito kami lahat.
Don't unbakus.
Guys.
Don't unbakus.
Tultataan eh. Si ate andun pa sa loob, guys. Yun nga. Ang dami namin dito kasi akala namin naman yung Crossroad Mall, eh, madaming ganap. Antay lang talaga yung boy sa labas. Ha? Slow, slow. Slow. Tingnan nyo, naglalaro sila sa labas. Slow down. Ate Ayla, too fast. Ate Ayla, ha?
She likes
Too
it.
fast. I know she likes it, but she's a baby. I know.
Billy cards. Kiss better.
Dito lang kami sa labas nag-hangout. Ito naman si Ayla. Ayaw niya pumasok kasi gusto niya daw kasama yung mga titos niya. Eh, hindi naman pwede kami lahat andun kasi ang dami nga namin. Ayan. Ang init-init. Tingnan niyo yung buhok. Ang basa na ng buhok ni Madam. Hindi na pa ito naglalaro sa labas. Ito naman, board na to. Where are we going after? Where are we going after? Uy! Going to the mall. Yay! We're gonna have some nice drinks and food. Are you hungry? Hello, uy. Yeah. Guys, ano pala yung nag-assist sa akin guys, si Cherry. Shout out to her kasi ang galing niya. And then si Doc Yel naman yung gumawa ng procedure. Thank you so much. Very good. Dito talaga ako nag-review. The reason of our delay. Uy! Wala na, nagwa-wild na si Arlo. Vegeta. Si Vegeta. Andito na si Vegeta.
Hurry, hurry, Mama's looking worried. Will the pie be ready in time? Papa's out getting a treat.
Guys, dito pala tayo sa Army Navy. Kain lang tayo, snacks. Mukha ko napakanampa at saka meron tayong mga umbok-umbok sa ating ulo. Ay, umbok na eh. Nandito na yung aking bangos. Pangmalakasang bangos. Isang malaking bangos. Breakfast.
Uy! Ano yung mga ila? Unsa na yung mga ila? Unsa na yung mga? Eh, nalami. Lami. Eh, nalami. Sige, nag-lami. Lami. Again. Say lami. That means delicious.
Ano, wala yung sauce, ani dong? Ipangit na to ba? Ay, imagine yung sauce, no?
Yung nagabay ng TV.
Ito na yung mga order namin. Bango-bango ng kimchi, sarap ng fries, maliliit.
Hala. You happy, Di? No?
Good job, Arlo. Good job, Arlo.
Ayo, gara-gara. Good. Garaan, gumaya rin. So cute. Can I have a picture there? So nice. It's so nice, ito. You wanna go down? Where's Jollibee? Where? Oh, yeah, there. Nasa third floor. Nagli-li. Sa buka, hindi. Time to buy some toys. And lollies. You like that? About the monkey. Bili man si ate. Salamat, yeah. You can say salamat.
They say
No?
it really loud, Bob, so they can hear.
What do you want to say then? Eyeball. You can. Thank you. Tingin-tingin lang kami guys. Pumunta kami sa bench and then sa Watson. Sobrang haba ng pila as in. Kasi Christmas rush. Asan tayo next?
Sa gasa, sige, nakalakad pa.
Yeah.
Hello!
So sa sa shop, dili, wala naman yung diri. Balik na din sa terraces. May nag-approach pala sa akin si Van. Hi Van. Picture kami dalawa. Nandito kami sa Ever Belena. Nagtatry ng mga libre. Tester.
Nagtatry or nakigamit lang talaga. So, ano guys?
Kasi very mikok. It's very mikok.
Ang marami.
It's very mikok.
Mahalo, di siya kabago mo.
Pila? Ay, kay basin ko tabakwa na anak ba?
Oh, ina na.
Ano material?
Loco,
I'm here, babe.
Oh my God. Ayan, sobraan. This one is for your cheek.
Okay.
You want to be an Ever Belena model?
What's this?
Dira?
What's this? What's that?
That one is a cheek and lip tint. Good?
Cheek and something.
Try niya.
Daghan na kayo gibutang. Ay, di na ko blush. Actually, nabutang na ko blush gamay. Niluspad na kayo ko. Gamay ra, pwede raman. Ano yung mga cheaper kayo ba? Hindi ako mga ganang. Actually, kay kabaw ka ang benefit. Mga gara ka ang benefit. Mahal ka ayun. Wa na, layo na kayo. To asa naman si Wiwin?
Kapit na doon lang. Dali.
Dito tayo sa 4th floor. Kanang green. Yeah. Bili tayo ng ano ni Inday Ayla, traditional dress. Tanan! I think that's too big. Basta na ilang sizes?
Yeah, too big. Medium alas. Medium or small.
Ako talaga ay Girl Scout. From elementary to high school. Ang mga pins, mga pins. Ito, yung mga pins. Kompleto talaga ako ng mga pins. My God. Brings back memories naman to cadet. So cute! So cute! By the way, so automatic po siya. Tsaka yung seat ni Arlo ba? Oh my God! Woo! Ayla, slow! What the? Too fast! Sus, ang princess na mo, hindi Ay, so cute! So cute! Yeah.
Turn around gently. Turn around gently. Gentle, gentle, gentle. Alright, come on. Turn, 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 turn. More. Look at Hindi.
Try on.
Oy, dako na una.
Dako man na, too big.
6 to 9 months.
6 to 9 months.
Are we going home?
Yeah, let's go. Come on, Nick. Go, walk.
Wow, cute, so cute. Di mo naman ko yung giro, oy. It's cute. Kanahan.
Komportable na.
Hindi siguro siya comfortable, tina.
Komportable na yun.
Guys, nandito na pala tayo sa accommodation. Accommodation. Nakabili pala ako, pero grabe naman yung busy, guys. Sobrang busy talaga ng Ayala Malls. Ang daming nag-Christmas rush, ang daming nag-shopping. Like, ang line talaga sobrang haba. Yung sa CLN, yung sa sandal na... CLN ba tawag dyan? CLN? Oo. Sobrang haba talaga ng line. Anyway, cheers, guys. Sa-start na kami. Last night namin dito. Ito pala nabili natin. This is for Mama. Ashley Nourishing Treatment Hair Mask. Tapos, ito, kailangan ko talaga ng pimple patch. So, bumili ako ng pimple patch kasi ang laki ng acne. Tapos ito, Spanish salt. Gusto ko talaga ito. 99 pesos lang. Yes. Ganahan ka? Umang isa. Ganahan ko. Ano na ito? Ma, andihin daw ma. Kilayan roti ka ma. Nishido brow pencil fudge brown. Si mama yung pili. And then, ako din pang nails. Bumili ako ng pang nails. Like, sobrang mura lang talaga. Balik ka wala, di siya nipilik lipstick. Sige lang naman sa tingin. Naala pa dito. Hindi to. Guys, tingnan nyo, 25 pesos lang. Uso lang yung dapat refund ko nila.
Check yung balik ang
Tapos, eto naman, nga lang ganun, colorless. Tapos, may acetone pa ako. Pag nagkamali tayo, may acetone. Ang mura lang guys. Grabe, 25 pesos. Imagine me, 25 pesos. Ano lang ko, less than $1. Makaano nga.
Hindi na may butang sa baso ng rubber.
Sige, gawin ko yung aking nails before Christmas. Aray. Nagpabook kami ng nails. Hindi na, sobrang busy na ng mga ano.
Bakit pwede insert daw? Hindi rin kung service.
Sama na. Cheers! Cheers! Di na siya mo cheers. Cheers! Ay, sorry, Day. Cheers! Dili na. Cheers! Ayaw na niya mag-cheers. Cheers! Bang!
Ayan, do you want watermelon?
Guys, kulay mode tayo kay Mama. Sa binili yung Nishido Brow Pencil Fudge Brown. What?
Aspirary.
Naman ni glitter yung mong ipili, Ma. God, my glitter. What?
Let's go talk to mommy.
Sadaw, where are you going? Tarawan ng killer kayo ng forma?
Kailangan nakatawag sa same number. Why? Yung kung saan tawag sila ako.
Hello, what are you gonna do with the skeletons?
Well, kaplato guys. Okay.
Ay, sorry! Naporma? Oh, kani mo'y perfect kilay? Hoy! It's your perfect kilay, kulot! 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 Kulutan sana namin to, oh. Oh my God. Ay, sorry. Nalihan. Hoy! Guys, yung atin ngang tinae, ami ko tinae doon.
Hindi lagi ni-init.
Ito nga ay 22 pesos ay ang mahal-mahal. Pero sana masarap. We also have some watermelon. Nguyong, andyan. Naka-cover pa. And then, ang siomay. Andun na pa yung siomay. Pulutan naman tane. Ano naman ni nakulangan naman ng rice. Alam mo sa tinae. Ano sa Tagalog ano yan yung tinae?
Isaw.
Sarap ng isaw guys. Ay!
Kung saan mo na, ma?
May backbone din guys. May liver ba? Uy, wala na tayo. Wala na kaming pagkain pang inom.
Pwede mo. Mana ako. Gusto mo ka.
Sarap din na backbone. Masarap sana to if may sili. Wala may sili. No? Halang-halang ba? Mahal na sa isa. Same price as the pork. So, my. Lami ang siomay.
Tawa.
Di na lang init, pero lami.
Saan? Medyo mayo?
Ayla, we got meat on the steak. Do you want it? Do you like shomai, Dan? Shomai. Yeah, shomai here. Na shomai.
Hurry, hurry, Mama's looking worried. Will the pie be ready in time? Papa's out getting a tree while my sister is writing verses and rhymes. Soon they will be here. Same as every year. Everyone wants home.
3 for 5. 3 for 5.
Waki, waki. Waki, waki.
Wak, 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 wak.
Wali, wali. Wali.
Wali, wali, love, love, love.
Waki.
One after the other. Door. Here everybody's welcome.
Langasan mo nga ulo.
Love is out the way from the
Kahit hindi na yung
Arlo's here.
Everyone wants home for Christmas. Wherever in the world they are. Let's make it so. Let's call him Frosty. He'll be our friend. What does it matter if it's all pretend? Everyone wants home for Christmas.
Guys, it's time for us to sleep. Early pa tayo bukas. Tomorrow is actually our check-out here sa accommodation na ito. And pupunta na tayo sa bahay. Excuse me. Nanampon akong panty. So, tomorrow guys is ating palang check-up dito. Check-up. Tomorrow is actually our check-out dito. And yes, pupunta na tayo sa bahay. Dito pala sa kwarto na to, tatlo kami. So, ako, si Ayla, at saka si Mama. Dito kami natutulog. Yung boys is si Marlon, at saka si Mark, or si Merwin. Tapos, yung kabilang room pala is si Mark. So, ayun. And sa master bedroom naman, napakita ko sa inyo, dun sila ate. So, ayun. So far, okay naman dito na accommodation. But I feel like, itong accommodation nito is like a party house. Yeah. 2 days ago, before sa aming check-in dito, may nagpo-party daw dito. But, it's actually really good. It's a good accommodation. As I mentioned earlier in this video, Irelo is super easy and convenient. If you're traveling to the Philippines like me, please scan my QR code and use my promo code RICH to get $3 off your first eSIM.